Dear students, the topic of my today's lecture is the undisputed issue of Muslim Jammu and Kashmir and Pak-China friendship. First of all, I would like to clarify that our relations, friendship with China is very high, and we respect our brothers of China that they always proved the best friend for us. May friendship of China and Pakistan flourish in centuries for the benefit of both the countries, for the benefit of all peace-loving countries. We were with you when China was under the yoke of colonialism, disused imperialism. We were with you when various external forces tried to bring pressure on China when it was upholding its vital aims. We shall be with you in the days of joy and in the days of trial. Our relations with China can never be darkened or suppressed by any war or conflict arising by so-called superpower rivalry. As far the issue of Kashmir is concerned, China always favored Pakistan. To resolve the dispute of Indian-occupied Muslim Jammu and Kashmir, it must be kept on top priority basis as per the resolutions already passed by the United Nations organization, instead of keeping it away from pre-planned agenda. We all peace-loving and democratic Pakistani people, though, observe various walks and agitational, peaceful protests within and outside the country against the Indian occupation and Indian atrocities in Indian occupied Muslim Jammu and Kashmir. But it is to be pointed out that this issue has yet not been solved despite of various past resolutions. The freedom-loving Kashmiri people have given countless sacrifices. They have been struggling since 1947. More than 10 division Indian occupied forces are carrying away them to unknown places and injuring them with pellet guns, also killing them. Yasin Malik has been arrested and sent to jail without any justification. Why? Because he has raised the voice for freedom of Muslim Jammu and Kashmir. They who are peace-loving, we should not adopt such negative policy, and United Nations and OIC should come forward and resolve this issue. So nice of you. Thank you.